In this video, I'll show you how to log into Gmail without using a verification code using the official recovery and account verification options Google provides. This is helpful if you're trying to sign in on a new device, you don't have access to the usual code method, or you simply want to use another approved way to complete the login. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Gmail sign-in page. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address in the sign-in box, then click Next. On the next screen, Google will ask for your password. Enter your password as usual. If Google then asks for a verification code and you don't have access to it, look for the option that says another way. Click that option to see the other approved sign-in methods available for your account. Now you'll see a list of recovery options Google may offer. One common option is a Google prompt on another signed-in device. If you already have a phone, tablet, or computer where you're signed in to the same Google account, you can approve the login from there. Another option may be a recovery email, which sends a verification link or code to your alternate email address. You may also see backup codes if you previously saved them when setting up your account security. Choose whichever recovery method is available and easiest for you to access right now. If you select Google Prompt, check your other device for the approval message and confirm that it's really you trying to sign in. If you choose recovery email, open that inbox, find the Google message, and follow the instructions to verify your identity. If you use a backup code, enter one of your saved codes carefully and continue. After the verification step is completed successfully, Google will let you finish signing into your Gmail account. At that point, you should be logged in and able to access your inbox, sent mail, and all of your Google services again. If one method doesn't work, go back and try another recovery option that Google offers. The important thing is to use only the official sign-in and recovery steps on Google's own website, so your account stays secure. And that's it. That's how to log into Gmail without a verification code by using Google's alternative sign-in methods. If this video was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.